TheFamilyNeed.com presents COSORI 32 quart 12-in-1 convection toaster oven air fryer review. Follow the link in the description to read the full article. Enjoy the great value for the money. It has the largest cooking chamber among all the competitors. Recipe book, crumb tray, fry basket, food tray, wire rack, rotisserie fork set, and rotisserie handle for more cooking options. It has crisp LED screen, convenient dial controls, an interior light, convection fan, nonstick interior. It also has extra large capacity. With double layer racks, you can cook different recipes at the same time. The 12-in-1 presets are for pizza, roast, air fry, toast, bagel, bake, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment and keep warm. Want to read the full review? Follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching. FamilyNeed.com. Your need, our deed.